What's up, folks? Chinese morning update. 7/7, July 7th. So, non-farm came out just now. It's 8:33 a.m. Unemployment rate ticked down 1, so 3.7 down to 3.6. Non-farm payrolls were 209,000. Forecast 230, and average earnings are actually 4.4%. Expected 4.2%. So, we'll see how it's an initial pop, as you can tell here on the 3-minute. It's what we've got. So we'll see if this continues. ES pivots, you got 44.49, which you're right there. 44.79, 45.13, 45.43. Fairly tight. 85 or 15.85 and 51. 85 S2 is pretty decent. That 44.15 as well. They parked it yesterday at the 19. Again, I was looking yesterday for that 09, 04, 44.09, 44.04 level, but looks like they defended it early. Stick saved it, as they say. So 44.20. But we're looking at, that 25-20 level to be somewhat of a support. We break that, I think we get down to that 09, 04, and then below that you've got your 70 and then your 50, really, that general area. So we get back above, especially 50, 65, excuse me, then we get into that 80, 90 level. And we'll see if that holds again. Because that's kind of been, you had this spike up, close high, and then we just haven't, it hasn't gotten above 4,500 on ES. So I wonder if that's just going to be a barrier for now. If we close above that, then I think that's off to the races. But I don't know. We'll see. The initial reaction so far has been higher, which typically is inverse later. Here's your daily SPX. We have cash gap from yesterday, which is pretty big, 46 to 22. So that was a doozy down. That down day cleared that cash gap. So we'll see if we rally into some of that. We're higher now by 5 points ES, so we should open up somewhere in here. And then you have a little tiny cash gap at 55 and 53. Then we got this guy down here at 35 and 28. If we hit that, then that's going to be the least of our worries. Euro rallied right after that number. So that looks like, to me, people are saying, risk on. Fed's not going to hike anymore. I think Tilt rallied as well. Briefly kind of stalled, still under 100 though, which is kind of a key level. So we'll see if that closes the week under 100. That'll be interesting. But as of now, man, I don't know. This is fairly neutral. We're still kind of in range here. I don't see anything extravagant today. Kind of a double top here at that 95. So we'll see if this holds or if this is just going to be a continuance up. Again, keep in mind, all of our volume here is in this 55.35 level, 41.55, 41.30 level. So eventually it should come back down here. I don't know when. I'm not giving you a time frame. 50-day moving average is all the way down at 42.68. So we're well above the spaghetti here. We'll see today. It's been a tough market, so everyone just kind of hang out. Make sure, you're waiting for the movement into a support or resistance, or what we think is a support and resistance, and do your best. That dip yesterday, I think, caught a few off, and then that reversal was tough. So, you did close, 25 off the lows, but it didn't do a full V like we've been used to. But these dips are definitely being defended, so keep that in mind. Anyway, stay safe. I will be in the room, and happy Friday.